In this video, we're going to talk about how outliers affect the mean. So let's say I have this distribution of data points. And as you can see that we have a mean of 21.27 and there's an outlier. We can see we did the calculations using the outlier formula, which is the Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR, or Q1 take away 1.5 times Q1 take away 1.5 times IQR, where IQR is the interquartile range, and we do have a video for that. So we calculated those values and we found that this value here is an outlier. Now, if we get rid of that outlier, do we suspect that the mean will change? Probably, because we can see that in this group of data points, that seems to be where the typical values are going to be, in particular between 20 and 25. If we get rid of this outlier and recalculate the mean, we go to 22.4, which pushes it more to the right. Okay, so this value here is weighing a lot compared to this, and thus when we get rid of the outlier, the weight of the points are shifted more to the right. Okay, because there isn't anything else, there's no data point over here weighing the mean to being more to the left. Now 21.27 compared to 22.4 doesn't seem to be a lot in terms of the mean. But if it's a business and every single tenth of whatever it is that you weigh is costing you money, then overall in the overall day, year, decade, it's going to cost you money, right? So maybe this particular fish is not the fish type that you particular purchase in bulk. And so, it overall, the mean weights are different, thus somebody's losing money because maybe you're buying in by the amount of the mean weight. Okay, the important thing here, two things, is that the mean can be represented as a balance point. And because of this data point, the fulcrum, the balance point, is shifted to the left. When you don't have an outlier over here on the left, then the mean is shifted a little bit to the right, where it should be, because that's where the typical values are going to be, right, between 20 and 25. All right, I hope this was helpful. There's a lot more videos out here in this channel. Tell your teachers, tell your friends about these, and it should help you. If there's one particular video you want to see, by all means, tell me. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.